Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're holding on to a gain today. 10-year note futures trading higher today, really back into the middle of the range here for the last couple of weeks. When you look at the price action for that June contract, above the 108 handle, 108.03 currently in the futures market. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, really there's a couple things. Number one, data points. PMI data coming out this morning. Global manufacturing and global service PMI data coming in a little bit lower than anticipated, and that provided a lift to the treasury markets. We did see a reaction in the treasury markets. We also did see a reaction in the US dollar on the heels of those data points this morning, indicating, at least for the month of March, a little bit of slowing in both sectors. And so we're seeing yields moving lower pretty much across the entire curve. Second of all, today was the auction of 2-year treasury notes, and basically it was a fairly well received auction. Wouldn't say it was great, but it was better than the previous 2-year, and so I think overall, as the auctions continue to shift as far as the results and the demand, today I think was viewed as a little bit better than average, and I think that that's another factor as to why we're seeing treasury yields coming in a little bit and prices holding up. Now, looking at the yields, the 10-year yield is down 2 basis points today to 460 basis points, an intraday low of 457, so pretty much in the middle of the range here today as yields are coming in a little bit. And when you look at the yield curve, we're seeing it moving lower, but pronounced, a little bit more pronounced in the shorter end of the curve, really from the 1s to the 5s. And also, I think partially due to the auction results. So we're seeing yields a little bit lower in the 1s, 2s, 3s, and 5s than the other ends of the yield curve. But pretty much overall, a little bit of buying pressure across the curve today, moving those yields lower. 10-year yield holding on to the 108 handle currently and moving higher on the day.